Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to add subscribe button in our YouTube videos. Click YouTube Studio. Then click Setting. Now open the channel and click the branding. Now wait, we need an image of subscribe. Okay, you can search in Google and type subscribe button. Choose a suitable image. Okay, you need a rectangular image. It seems like not suitable. We go for another image. Okay, save it. Okay, back to the branding. Choose image and click what you have downloaded just now. Okay, there are three options and I would like to choose custom start time. Okay, click save. Okay, we have done. Now we are going to see whether the subscribe button is appear or not in our YouTube video. Choose one of your YouTube video and play it. Okay, now you can see the button is already appeared. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.